Look here, Rutherford Sodila. Rutherford is a scientist name. Sodi also scientist name. Both the scientists use one law that law is radioactive law. What is the radioactive law? I can explain some examples now. Here I take isotope C613. C613 in the living, for example, animal or man, persons, for example, one person. In the living stage, it is always constant. In the body, C613 always constant. At the death, after the death, its C613 value gradually decrease. For example, initially in the body 100 atoms is there, C613. After 5 years, it becomes 50. That means 100 to 50 veldaniki, how many years but in 5 years. For example, initially C613 100 atoms is there, 100 atoms is there. For example, it becomes 25. Now 25 atoms is in the body. That means 100 to 50. How many years? 5 years. 50 to 25. Again it becomes half. Again 5 years. Total how many years? 10 years. That means 100 to 25. How many years are there? 10 years. That means initially 100 atoms is there. Now 25 atoms is there. That means the person there is death before 10 years, and that means to determine the age of pyramids and determine the age of ఫజాయిల్స్ అంటే పురాతనమైన వస్తువులు that means సింధు నాగరికత అంటారు కదా అప్పుడు బిఫోర్ క్రైస్ట్ దట్ ఏజ్ ఆల్సో కెన్ బి డిటర్మైన్ బై యూజింగ్ కార్బన్ డేటింగ్. C613 in the person is living at that time is a constant. After death of the person, it will be gradually decreases. The based on decreasing amount to determine the age of the pyramids or age of the fossils. That is called carbon dating. That means initially 100, తర్వాత 50, తర్వాత 40, 30. It will be decrease, continue of years, after deathing of years. Here, look here. What is the Rutherford Sodila? What is the Rutherford Sodila? Sodila means here dt is nothing but the t is nothing but the time. Time is denominator. In the physics, it is called rate. Time is denominator. This time is called rate. D is called decay. Decay means in the chapter decrease. Here, which will be decrease? Atoms. To see here, rate of decreasing atoms depends upon the atoms. That means any atoms unte ave decrease avutayi. That law is called Rutherford Sodila. Once again I repeat rate of decreasing of atoms depends upon the number of atoms. Ennunte ave kada decrease ayedi ante simple ga rate of decay of atoms is depends upon number of atoms present at that instant. Here decay means decrease. This decrease indicate minus indicate here decreasing. Here proportional can be removed to write proportionality constant. In the chapter, this constant called as lambda into n. Here, this is the formula for Rutherford Sodila. Once again repeat. What is the Rutherford Sodila? dn by dt equal to minus lambda into n. Here dt ante time dn ante decay of atoms. Decay means decrease. Here lambda is called proportionality constant. This is also called as decay constant or disintegration constant. Once again I repeat Nana, lambda in the chapter is called decay constant or disintegration constant. Here lambda is generally proportional constant. N means number of atoms present at that instant. Number of atoms present at that instant. And in the instant how many atoms present, that is called N. Once again repeat Nana, what is the Rutherford-Soddy law? dN by dt equal to minus lambda into N. Here minus indicate decreasing of atoms. This law is called Rutherford-Soddy law. Here look here now, look here. Here what is the Rutherford-Soddy law? dN by dt equal to minus lambda into N. Here in the equation dN by dt is called some textbooks activity. dN by dt is called activity. Some textbooks denoted by this letter is R. Some textbooks denoted by this letter is A. That means dN by dt write as some textbooks R. Some textbooks capital A equal to minus lambda N. This is the formula. Once again, simply call as dN by dt is called activity. What is the SI units means? SI unit means dN by dt units is dN is nothing but the disintegration. Disintegration means decrease. Disintegration. That means decay. Decay means decrease. And a person is dead. C613 decrease with respect to time. Disintegration by time units second. What is the units of activity? dN by dt units disintegration per second. Scientist name Becquerel. Scientist name Becquerel. Disintegration per second is nothing but the Becquerel. Other units also there First other unit is disintegration per second. Other name is Becquerel. Other units also there Curie. 1 Curie equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. Activity nothing but the dN by dt. dN by dt SI unit is disintegration per second. Some textbooks write as Becquerel. Other units is Curie. SI unit kaadu it will change problem chesitappudu 1 Curie equal to how many disintegration per second? 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. Next I discuss other unit is Rutherford. Rutherford is nothing but the 10 power 6 disintegration per second. Here to solve the problems, activity other unit is Curie. 1 Curie equal to 3.7 into 10 power 10 disintegration per second. Other unit is Rutherford. Rutherford equal to 10 power 6 disintegration per second. Disintegration per second also called as Becquerel. Okay, this is the Rutherford-Soddy radioactive law or exponential. Just previous video I discussed Rutherford-Soddy law. What is the Rutherford-Soddy law? dN by dt equal to rate of decay of atoms equal to minus lambda into N. Here lambda is decay constant or disintegration constant. n is called number of atoms present at that instant. In this equation, all n's will be to one side, dn by n equal to minus lambda into dt. Here small becomes large, both sides I apply integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Here integration of dn by n equal to integration of minus lambda into dt. Here integrating on both sides. Here limits also I given an initial number of atoms always denoted by n naught. Initial number of atoms always denoted by n naught. Now atoms is n. That means this is initial atoms. In the topic atoms decrease. For example 100 initial. ఇప్పుడు 50. 100 initial atoms always n naught. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని అంటే n is number of atoms present at that instant, at this time present ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయంటే 50. Here initial time is 0. Now the time is t seconds. Okay. Here in the mathematics one formula I given an integration dx by x equal to log x. Integration dx by x equal to log x. Integration of dx equal to x. Okay, these two formulas used in this formula. Here integration of dn by n write as log n base e. What is the lower limit? N naught. What is the upper limit? N. In the right side minus lambda is common. Integration dt t none. Here what is the lower limit? 0, upper limit t. According to mathematics, first to apply upper limit nana. So here write upper limit. Here log n base e minus log n naught base e. Here right side nana minus lambda. Here nana t minus 0. Here nana log a minus log b. Log of a by b. Once again repeat. Log a minus log b. Log of a by b. That means log of n by n naught base e. Okay. Right side here minus lambda into t. It neatly write as in the mathematics n by n naught equal to e power minus lambda t. It neatly write as n equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. This law is called exponential law. This is also called as radioactive law. What is the exponential law? N equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. Here n is called number of atoms present at that instant. And in the instant lo n unnai. N naught initial number of atoms. Initial number of atoms. Okay, here lambda is called decay constant. T is called time. It is most important for 8 marks completed in the final exam. What is the Rutherford-Soddy law? Means dn by dt equal to minus lambda n. According to that equation, n only one side, remaining only other side. Integrating on both sides, we will get finally n equal to n naught into e power minus lambda t. Here n indicate number of atoms present in this instant. N naught is always initial number of atoms. Lambda is called decay constant. T is called time. It is most important 8 marks question in the final exam to easily to get none all. Okay. Next continuation of life. It is most important topic in the final exam, 4 marks number. Most important topic of life. Most important topic for 4 marks. Here in the some textbooks write as half life divided by T off. Here half life means initial atoms 100, it becomes 50. That means how many degrees off? What nano off? This 100 to 50, it becomes take some time. That time is called half life. Half life means the time required to disintegrate half number of atoms. Once again, Nana, what is the half life definition? Nana? The time required to disintegrate half number of atoms. The time required to disintegrate half number of atoms. This time is called half life. Half life denoted by T off. Here, what is the half life run? The time required disintegrate half number of atoms and 100 becomes 50. For example, 200 half and 100. 200 100 avడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది అంటే half life. How much time is required? Half life. Half life means the time required to disintegrate half number of atoms, that is called half life. It is denoted by T off. Now here we know the exponential law. What is the exponential law in radioactivity? Just in this video I derive exponential law. N equal to formula N naught e power minus lambda t. According to this concept, initial atoms N naught. Now the atoms becomes N naught by 2 because we discuss half life. Initially T equal to 0. ఎన్ని atoms ఉన్నాయి? N naught. ఇప్పుడు T equal to T off. Off దగ్గర ఎన్ని atoms ఉన్నాయి? N naught by 2 ఉన్నాయి. అంటే దాని మీనింగ్, its meaning is simply write here T write as T off nana, N write as N. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? N naught by 2. These two values substitute here. What is the N value? N naught by 2. Right side N naught e power minus lambda t. Here N naught what nana cancel. Here left side 1 by 2 equal to e power minus lambda t. Here minus other side plus denominator other side numerator e power lambda t equal to 2. Both side I take log nana, log both side I take nana log 2. Here base e what ya cancel. Left side lambda t equal to log 2 base. A small doubt nana. Here t write as what ya? T off. Here t write as what? T off. Here t off. What is the final formula for T off nana? T off equal to log 2 base by lambda. What is the relation between half life and decay constant? Half life equal to log 2 base e by lambda. In the mathematics, log 2 base e value is given by 0.693 by lambda. This is the half-life and decay constant relation. What is the relation between half-life? Lambda is called decay constant. What is the relation between half-life and decay constant? T of equal to 0.693 by lambda. This is the important formula, Nana. T of equal to 0.693 by lambda. Here lambda is called decay constant. Decay constant. 1 minute, Nana. 1 minute. Generally, in the logarithm table, log 2 base 10 value is 0.3010. Sir, మరి ఇక్కడ log 2 వాల్యూ ఇది రాసేవేంటి సార్ అంటే ఇది బేసి నాన్న. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే బేసి ఉంటే ఇన్ ద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఇట్ రైట్ యాజ్ 2.303 into log 2 base 10. అంటే బేసి will be converted into base 10 in the mathematics multiplied by 2.303. Here in the logarithm table all values base 10 in log 3 base 10 value 0.477, log 4 base 10 value 0.699, 0.66 ante. Log 5 base 10 value 0.699, approximately right at 0.7. Any problem? Log 2 base 10 value 0.3010, log 3 base 10 value 0.477, log 4 base 10 value 0.6, log 5 base 10 value 0.7. These any problems to use these values, Nana, in the topic. Next, Nana, I discuss average lives. Last topic, Nana, today. Okay, this can be directly or directly I give, Nana. Actually, this is also derived part, but time probability I give directly. Average life. Average life means simply called as initially 100 atoms, finally 0. That means total lifetime of all atoms is nothing but the average life. Average life means total lifetime of all nuclei or all atoms. Total lifetime of all nuclei or all atoms, all nuclei, total lifetime of all nuclei is called average life. It is denoted by tau. Directly I give the relation tau and lambda inversely. Lambda is nothing but the decay constant, disintegration constant, proportionality constant. What is the relation between tau and lambda? Tau equal to 1 by lambda. Tau equal to 1 by lambda. Tau equal to 1 by lambda. This is the relation between average life and decay constant. Tau equal to 1 by lambda. Here we know that what is the relation between half-life formula? 0.693 by lambda. But here 1 by lambda write as tau. T of equal to 0.693 into 1 by lambda write as tau. This is the relation between tau and lambda. This is the relation between half-life and average life. Half-life equal to 0.693 into tau. Okay? In the next video, I solve some problems, Nana. I can explain some problems. Okay?